Here you can see the bag I am going to use. I have to take this all over with me. Because of this I have decided to put my medication in the front. It has got anything to do with my catheter when I'm out. First up, antibacterial wet wipes. For wiping the tap on the bottom of the bag or the flip flow. Just an example. Next up is a leck bag. Even though I will probably be using a flip flow valve, I will be taking this with me. Then I have a bed pad with me to go underneath the catheter when emptying the bag or flip flow valve, and can go over my knees if I needed it to. I have a set of leg bag straps for if I need to put a leg bag on. I have also put in some gloves for anyone who wants to use them, and I have got a bottle that is going to stay in the bag that I can empty into. I have bags to put the rubbish in. I am just using nappy sacks. As I really struggle with washing my hands in a public place, I have got some no water hand foam. You just squirt on your hand and rub it in, then just dry your hands. I've also got hand sanitizer in too.